Hey guys, you're welcome back to another lesson right here on learnakan.com. So today we are beginning a new series, a new vocabulary series on occupations, professions, right? We are going to break it down to a few in a list in every episode. So today we are looking at a few, and then in our subsequent videos we'll be looking at the rest. I'm sure we can't cover all the professions that there are. But if after we are done with the series, if you have more, you can share them with us in the comment section below, and we'll appreciate that. So today is the first, and it starts right after this. So let's start with work itself, all right? Work as a noun. So the noun version, and that is edwuma. 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 And please note this, I'm saying edwuma, not ajuma, even though it starts with the letter a. Okay, I'm saying edwuma. There's a mechanism behind this, but we are going to tackle that when we get down to vowel harmony. So for now, just know that I'm saying edwuma, not ajuma. All right. Now, this is the noun form. If I want to say to work, so the verb form, I will have ye edwuma. Ye edwuma. Ye edwuma. So ye here is to do. All right. And we just said edwuma is work. So to do work literally is to work. Ye edwuma. So out of this we can form odwumayeni. 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 So the ni at the end is the person suffix. All right. If we attach this to most strings, we'll end up with someone who does something. Okay. So in English, when you have, for example, to teach, okay, to teach, and then you add er at the end, and then you have teacher, right? So this is what we use to form that, the singular version. Okay. So we have odwumayeni as a person who works. All right, so odwumayeni is a worker. If you want to turn this into the plural, we will have edwumayefo. 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 So now that we have the general work stuff out of the way, let's go down to the occupations. And we are starting with oyaresafo. 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 So the main parts in this is the yare and then the sa. Okay. So yare here is coming from yare, and yare is a sickness. Okay, a disease. And then we have sa, which is the verb to cure or to heal. Okay. So when I say sa yare, I mean to heal sickness. Okay. So oyaresafo, now the o and the fo at the end are just person affixes. All right. So it turns this into a person. Okay. So with the oyaresafo, we have a person who heals the sick or sickness. Okay. So we have oyaresafo. Now for the plural, we will have ayaresafo. 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 All right. You can also go with the borrowed one. So we have the borrowed form from English, which is dokota, singular. Dokota. Dokota. And then for the plural, we have adokotafo. 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 Okay, let's go to the next one. We have ofidikafo. 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 Again, the main parts of this is the fidi part and then the ka part. Okay, now the fidi part is coming from efidie. Okay, efidie, and efidie is a machine. all right? So we have efidie, and ka means to drive. Okay, so ka, efidie literally would mean to drive a machine, and machine here is in reference to the vehicle. And then we have the o and the fo as the person affixes, all right? So a person who drives a vehicle is ofidikafo, a driver, all right? Now, we also have the borrowed form of this, which is odwumayeni. Odwumayeni. And as you can see, it's from driver, right? Odwumayeni. Let's go to the next one. We have aduane nuafo. Aduane nuafo. Aduane nuafo. Okay? Aduane nuafo. Now, aduane and noa are the main parts in this. We have aduane, which is food, and then we have noa, which is to cook. So noa aduane would be to cook food. Okay, so a person, which is, you know, the suffix here for a person who cooks food is a cook, right? A chef. So we have aduane noa for as a cook or a chef. Let's go to the next one. We have dwomfo. 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 Or you can go with the borrowed one, carpenter. Okay, carpenter. Kapenta. All right. To the next one. Now, the tree name for a bank. So a bank, the financial institution, is sikakorabea. 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 And I know this is not an occupation, but we are going to use it. So we have sikakorabea. Sika is money, all right? And then we have kra, and kra means to store. Okay, to store. And I remember telling you some time back that if you see any Chi word that ends in bia, it is most likely in reference to a place. Okay, so this bia is from biaye, which is a place. So we attach the bia part to, you know, certain strings to make it a place where we do this. Okay, so in this case, for example, we have sikakorabea. And I said kra means to store. I said sika is money, and bia is a place. So a place where we store money. Okay. This is a Ghana version because we store money at the bank. Do we? Okay. So we have sikakorabea as a bank. Now, occupation wise, a person who works at the bank, so a banker, will be called sikakorabea dwumayeni. Sikakorabea dwumayeni. Sikakorabea dwumayeni. Now, you remember odwumayeni, right? A worker. Okay, so a bank worker will be a banker. Sikakorabea dwumayeni. Let's go to the next one. We have okieni. 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 All right. Now, the kia in the middle is the farming itself. So the tree, the farming, we have it as kia. So a person who farms would say meye kia. Okay, meye kia, I do farming. Okay, so we have okieni as a person who farms. All right, okieni. Now, the plural for this will be ekiafo. 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 And again, I'm saying ekiafo, not akiafo. Okay, ekiafo. So the next one, we have nankwaseni. 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 All right. To the next one, we have otumfo. 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 So the plural for this will be atumfo. All right. Atumfo. So the last one for today, and I saved the complex one to last. Don't worry. So we have akuturukubofo. 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 You want me to go again? So we have akuturukubofo. That's the normal way you say it. Akuturukubofo. So the akuturuku part is the boxing itself, and the bo here will be the kick part. Okay, so if I say bo akuturuku, that will be the verb form to box. Okay, bo akuturuku. So a person who boxes will be a boxer. So we have akuturukubofo as a boxer. Akuturukubofo. All right, you can keep practicing. This is where we end today's lesson. I'm leaving you with this to practice. You can replay the video and practice a few times, and I'm sure you'll perfect it. Yeah, I know you're smart. So we end here today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you next time, and please be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.